part of in continuation biomolecules, another part proteins. As structurally, we want this. What is the proteins? The proteins are obtained from the amino acids. As we can say, this is polymerization of amino acids. For example, so we are having this is the amino acid C-double-bond-OH. The first of all, what is the amino acid? This is the two functional group is present on the same carbon atom. It is nothing but chiral atoms. This chiral central atom, this NH2 as a one functional group COH as a secondary carboxylic acid. Two functional group is present on the same carbon atom. This is the alpha amino acid. As you can see, alpha amino acid. So this alpha amino acid and alpha amino acid. This is the n number of alpha amino acid. I can say n number of alpha amino acid. That is what NH2 group is here, and this is nothing but what alkyl group, and this C-double-bond-OH carboxylic group. So this what I want. OH loss from here, H loss from here. This condensation is takes place. As you can say, this is the polymerization. So the polymerization is takes place. Loss of water molecule, condensation is takes place, and what I want. This is the R group here. This NH linkage is present. This is the C and this is double bond ONH. Amide linkage. I can say this what a amide linkage. This is nothing but a COO. That is nothing but amide linkage. Here n types of the compound hydrogen and one alkyl group. This is nothing but amide linkage. So amide polyamide. I can say this is the polyamide from the alpha amino acid and alpha amino acid. Then formation of the what proteins. So यहाँ पे हमारा formation होता है proteins. The proteins are, you can say this is the all proteins are amino acids. All proteins. यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं all proteins. All proteins are amino acids. So what is amino acid? This is alpha amino acid. All proteins are alpha amino acids. It is the most abundant क्या है? Most abundant biomolecule. Most abundant biomolecules of what? Living system. Living systems. This one of the word is this is the chief constituents. What is the chief constituent? Meat, milk, fish, peanuts, etc. So this means it is a help to require the growth of body and maintain the body. Again, it is a main part. It's again what a energy source of body. As you can say, energy source of body. Again, it required to maintain and to grow the body. As you can say, this is the Greek word. What is the Greek word? So the Greek word of this protein is proteos. As the meaning of this proteos is nothing but what a primary or prime source. It's a prime importance. So this is what a proteins. As we discussed, the proteins which are having what structure of the proteins is what primary structure, secondary structure, and what, as you can say, this is the tertiary as well as quaternary structure of proteins. So what is the primary structures? The primary structure of the proteins refers to the sequence of the amino acid. It refers sequence of amino acid in a polypeptides. As you can say, this is the primary structure. Primary structure of amino acids. It refers to sequence. It refers to sequence amino acid in polypeptides. If sequence changes, if you can say, if यहाँ पे ये sequence change होता है, if sequence changes, then polypeptide chain also change. इसका polypeptide chain भी क्या होता है? Change होता है. So as you can say, this is a secondary structure of the proteins. It is nothing but what is meaning of the secondary structures? The secondary structure of the proteins, as you can say, this is what it is a long polypeptide chains. It is the longest polypeptide chains. Longest polypeptide chain. Which are having what? It a regular folding. this is the presence of, again, what you can say, hydrogen bonding. This is what hydrogen bonding. Exists two form, alpha helix and beta. It exists what? Two form, alpha helix and beta pleated. So what is that alpha helix and beta pleated? So there is what? Presence of CONH. This is what? CONH. As you can see, C double bond O here, NH is there. This is again what? CS2 atom is here. Again C double bond O, NH is here. These types of the linkage is present. Amide linkage. As you can say, this amide linkage is present. Amide linkage is present. This is nothing but alpha helix. So this is the right-handed. As you can say, this is a right-handed is here, and this is a presence of this amide types of the linkage. So that is nothing but alpha helix. As you can say, beta pleated. What is mean by beta pleated? The beta pleated structure, that is the representation of beta pleated. As you can say, this is the seed type structure. As you can say, this seed type types of the representation is here. So that is nothing but seed type. So that is C double bond O here. It is C double bond O, C double bond O. It is CS2 group. Again CS2 group, CS2 group. C double bond O, CS2 group. Again NH, NH, CO, NH. As you can CONH. Again C double bond O, NH atoms. C double bond O, NH. So the amide types of the linkage is here, and this is nothing but what are types of this. The hydrogen bonding is present. Here is what a hydrogen bonding is present. So this C double bond O, NH. So this is nothing but a sheet-like structures. As you can say, the beta pleated structure of the secondary structure of the proteins. This is what this is the beta pleated structure. As you can say, this beta pleated structure having the stretch out of the polypeptide. I think stretch out polypeptide chain. Polypeptide chain. Stretch out polypeptide chain. We are having this maximum extension. Maximum extension is here. Stretch out polypeptide chain, maximum extension. So that is in what? Beta pleated. So these are the what? Secondary structure of proteins. As you can say, this is the tertiary structure and quaternary structure. The tertiary structure of the proteins, it is nothing but what? It is the overall folding of the polypeptides. This is the tertiary structure. Tertiary structure of proteins is what? As we can say, this is the overall folding two polypeptides. Tertiary structure प्रोटीन्स का टर्शियरी स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज व्हाट overall what it is overall folding to polypeptide chains. Here this is the two shape we are having this involving. This is the two shape or structure. This is what a globular and fibrous. Globular and fibrous. So this tertiary structure which are having the stable than secondary structures which stabilizes. This is what hydrogen bonding. Stabilizes due to hydrogen bonding. Yes linkage, as you can say, disulfide linkage is present here. So that is what van der Waals force. The van der Waals force of attraction is there. Van der Waals force of attraction. Next is nothing but what van der Waals force of attraction. Next one is what this is the next point is this electrostatic. What is that? Electrostatic force of attraction is there. So this is due to again what it is stabilized. Then what a quaternary structure, as you can see, this quaternary structure is the spatial arrangement. As you can see, this spatial arrangement of what polypeptide chain. इसमें जो arrangement होता है वो spatial arrangement होता है. Spatial arrangement of polypeptide chain. Due to this, it is the most stable. ये stable होता है secondary, primary and tertiary structure of the proteins. That is what quaternary structure. As you can say, this is quaternary structure of proteins. Quaternary structure of protein. It is a spatial arrangement of polypeptide chain. Stabilizes, or I can say this is a stabilizes to the primary, secondary, and the tertiary structure. Thus, we have in here the explain is the part of the proteins. What are the proteins and the classification of the proteins? The primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure of the proteins.